Hello guys, today our friends of Nutomo sent us this keyless entry door lock for front door, office door, or even the back door. You can use it in any standard door. Let's see what comes inside. Inside the box, we are going to be included a user's manual. It comes with the doorknob. It comes with all the required hardware to install that doorknob. And also, it's going to have some RFID cards that you can use. Comes with 2 of them. And finally, right here, we have our panel, which includes a fingerprint. Comes with all the required hardware to install the keyless deadbolt. The installation is going to be very simple. We're going to be installing these 2 parts right here first. Next step, we're going to be installing the doorknob. And using this provided tool, we're going to be removing the doorknob out of this part right here. And we're going to be putting and installing this other part, and then, putting our screws in and get this tied up. Okay. For the next step, we're going to be installing our panel. Okay. The key and the keyless entry is going to be facing to the outside. We're going to pass our wire through the bottom. So now our deadbolt is working. Let's test the door. There we go. And there we go. We'll be needing 4 AA batteries. Using our manual, we're going to pick up the QR code that's provided to download the correct app. Okay, once you register, you're gonna allow, for the app to find the device. You're gonna press plus to add it. You're gonna touch any key on the panel. And we find the lock, finally. It's going to be asking different configurations for the door lock. Now, as you see, it's already started to work. So now it's locked. And with the press of a button, now is unlocked. Okay. So if we close it right here, we can unlock it with our phone. Okay. So to lock, you're going to press and hold. There you go. To unlock, you're simply going to press once. You can definitely set different passcodes. You can set up a fingerprint. So we're going to be adding a fingerprint. Very simple. We're going to enter a name. And now it's going to give us a confirmation where our fingerprint is finally registered. So now with this, it's going to unlock. Whenever you want to close the door lock, you're going to be pressing the pound key. Press and hold. And it's going to close it. To open it, you're simply going to press with your fingerprint and it's unlocked. That's very cool. With the RFID cards, we're going to be adding a card and we're going to press the name to whoever you're going to be giving this RFID card. And you're going to simply just register. To register a card, it's going to give you the indication once it's ready. Once it's successfully registered, then you know that it's working by a confirmation. You have 2 of these. You have your fingerprint. You have your phone. You can also give access to other people on the phone. You can do a code. You can also have a key. So you have multiple ways to actually open this door lock. So I hope that the information about this keyless door lock was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.